You may guess what is so wonderful and so sweet. Very sweet. And it's from our brother, Senator Agom Jarigbe. A very, very experienced legislator who started from House of Representatives down to the Senate of the Federal Republic. And you know, when such people are making announcements, you know you have to listen very well, because it must be laced with experience and wisdom. So he wrote a letter to Senator and reads, Your Excellency, notification of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and decision to join the All Progressive Party, APC. I write to formally notify you and the distinguished leadership of Thank you for the observation, even though we don't have that in our rules, but so please listen attentively. I take it again. I write to formally notify you and the distinguished leadership of the Senate of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, on whose platform I was elected to represent the good people of Cross River North Senatorial District. This decision has been taken after deep and thoughtful reflection on the current state of my former party. It is with profound regret that I cite the prevailing, deep-seated, and irreconcilable differences, as well as the persistent and deliberating factions within the party at both the national and state levels, as a primary reason of my departure. This internal crisis has created an untenable environment, fundamentally undermining the party's core principles of unity and purpose, and consequently, its ability to serve as a viable vehicle for the representation and advancement of the interests of my constituents. In the light of the foregoing, and in the best interest of my constituents and my continued pursuit of effective representation, I have decided to join the ranks of the All Progressive Congress, APC. I believe that the APC, under the leadership of our President, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and your own steady leadership of the National Assembly, provide the stable and progressive platform necessary to effectively deliver on the mandate and the democratic dividends expected by the people of Cross River North. I wish to reassure you, Mr. President, and my esteemed colleagues, of my unwavering commitment to the business of the Senate and my continued dedication to the service of our nation, the Federal Republic of Nigeria. While I await the necessary conventions of our great party, the APC, to formally welcome me, I solicit your kind understanding and that of the entire Senate leadership. Please accept, Your Excellency, the assurances of my highest esteem and warm regards. Respectfully yours, Senator Agom Jarigbe, Senator, Cross River North Senatorial District. You are most welcome. You are not doing the usual. Please welcome him. Oh, are you having fatigue because of?
have interpreted the world, and what is left